baby. I feel like I'm digging for treasure. Look at this teeny tiny one. I can feel a chunky. Oh, it looks a bit mank. That one was a flop. That one was a baby pop. This one. What does it mean when it's got like red on it?
I'm not sure. I think it might just be the what type of what do you call it? Species it is.
I have no idea. I just chucked them in and just was like, yeah, this is it. Baby Tay-Tays. Oh, I just touched worms. Dirt girl. Worms are good though. They're good for the soil.
Yeah, really good.
You're not still recording, are you?
Yeah.
God. I found another one. This is so exciting. I love growing my own things. Because it just feels like, oh my god, like I did this.
Mm-hmm.
Like I actually did this. Another food babies. I'm gonna bake these potatoes. Maybe turn them into like chips or something. Or make them into a potato curry. Oh, that one does not look great. Oh, it looks a bit green.
Mm.
No Tay-Tays there. Come on, Tay-Tays. Where are you, Tay-Tays? Baby Tay-Tay. That's green Tay-Tay. Ooh, there's a lot of eggshells. Tay-Tay. Another Tay-Tay. I'm a farm girl. You see that one? Another Tay-Tay. This is so exciting. Our crop, our harvest. I think there's another one. It's a bit green. Apparently, green potatoes can give you like tummy ache.
They can poison you.
Oh,
Better carrots.
that is a bit strange. Maybe mum threw that in there. Baby Tay. Oh, green Tay. It's sad when the Tay-Tays turn green. There's more. Oh, these are quite good.
Yeah, the big ones, yeah.
Big ones. This is what we have so far, guys. Don't show my testicles. Maybe you should try and find, see if there's any more. It's like a treasure hunt. It's like an egg hunt. But potatoes. Ooh, this is another Tay-Tay. That would be really nice in a potato curry. You like my potato curry?
I do. I love your potato curries.
Oh, we got another chunky. Another chunky. It's got red bits on it, like red splodges. I don't know what that means. No idea. Baby Tay. This one's not green, but it's a baby Tay. Baby Tays. I just got dirt in my eye, which is fantastic. A whole brick of soil. Let's see whether there's anything in here. I don't think so. That is disappointing, to say the least. Oh, I found moldy Tay-Tay on the bottom. Moldy Tay. Moldy Tay-Tay. And wormy Tays. Wormy Tays. And a pinecone Tay. just my life. Oh, I found another tea. Another tea. Oh, big worm.
Big worm there, look.
Ugh.
Ooh.
I mean, if I'm wearing gloves, it's not a problem. But if I touch it with my own hands, Luke, don't touch that worm.
Why? Why?
Don't you dare touch that
Why?
worm. Oh God, mouldy tea.
Why are we touching the worm? It's only a worm.
I don't like worms. They look like potato skins on them.
There he goes, look. Ooh.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, I don't think there's any more teas on this one. And this bad boy. Yeah, no more teas on the bad boy. I want to search that side, but I'm a bit scared because there's worms. So I think you're gonna have to cut the recording and search that end.